So he tore apart the whole garage looking for this box. And so we didn't go. We didn't go to Tahoe.
No.
Oh my god.
We had wanted to go see snow for a while, but we haven't actually seen snow since we lived up in Oregon. So our snow clothes were in a box we figured the rafters of our garage.
Yeah, somewhere.
So the time came, I was like, okay, we're planning this trip. Let's bring down the stuff.
I did. I brought it all down. It was like 3 gloves. Just not even pairs. Just 3 gloves.
So he tore apart the whole garage looking for this box.
All over the place.
And I was saying, we're not going to Tahoe. We are not outfitting our whole family in snow clothes for 2 days. So if we don't find this box, we're not going. That was pretty much how it was. And so the date came. We asked my mom to look in her garage and in my closet from when I was a kid.
Yeah.
And couldn't find it there. And so we didn't go. We didn't go to Tahoe.
No. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
We were supposed to go at the beginning. And then
Unbelievable.
So we canceled our Tahoe trip. But then
I had an idea. I thought, we moved our stuff down, put it in my grandparents' garage, and then we put it in a U-Haul again later, like a month later, and moved here. So I thought, what if we checked that place? Guess what?
Whoa! We found it!
Wow, that is very pretty.
Oh my gosh!
What'd you see?
look at all these people heading out. We're going in.
We haven't seen snow for a long time, and the sun's going down. We got to get out so the girls can actually see the snow. So we found a place, and just the side of the road, and I pulled out Faith and I put her in the snow, and then she started walking away from us, and Brooke's like, what are you doing? And then I put her up there. Okay.
Put her in snow. This is like the snow pile that the plow pushes.
Plow people.
So it's taller than her.
Yeah, like 4 feet tall. It's at least 4 feet. So then she starts like sinking as she runs. She goes, "Dad." And then I picked her up and then got her feet all wet. She didn't have her boots on. Got her feet soaking wet. So then she came down crying, and now
Ellie is scared of the snow because she just saw Faith be
so she didn't want to get out either.
Into an icicle.
Oh man, and it was cold too. It was like 27 degrees outside.
It was chilly.
It was freezing. So that was a fun first experience for me only, pretty much.
So we made it to our hotel and we checked in. We stayed at the Marriott Timber Lodge.
Yeah, beautiful lodge. So day 2 was actually Faith's real birthday. So we woke up to snow.
It was snowing.
I think the first time I've ever had snow falling outside the window when I woke up.
When we were in Oregon, we had woken up to snow, but to actually have snow falling, it was
beautiful.
Cool.
It was such a cool birthday.
I was a little excited.
Full day of Lake Tahoe. So
our only full day.
Yeah, our only day. So we thought we should get on the sleds and go outside despite the weather, and that was a bad decision. We got them all ready. We took an hour to get them ready. So we got the sleds out there. It was snowing, and then it just kept coming harder and harder and harder. And this guy's like, "Oh yeah, there's a place right around the corner, 2 blocks away." So we get in the sled, pulling the kids. Ay, that was crazy. The girls did not like it at all because the snow kept getting in their eyes, underneath their glasses. They were crying. Ezekiel just did not go. He said, no way, I'm not going this time. So he stayed in the car, she stayed in the car. Me and the girls tried to go. I was like, no, we're going down this sled. We're going down at least once. So I grabbed them, I picked them up, and we went down. They had fun, at least when they were going down, but then they didn't want to go back up again. Yeah. So that was a rough first go at sledding. Made it. Glasses. They weren't good enough for Faith. She's got my glasses.
And then I went to go pick them up so they didn't have to hike back. but Nehemiah's phone died, and I was afraid to leave.
Yeah.
I was afraid to leave because I didn't want you guys to walk all the way back.
In case
and then me be out driving and you're standing in the mini blizzard.
So it was a mini blizzard.
But you know what? Ezekiel was so cute in the snow.
Super cute.
If you've never put your baby in a snowsuit, you should. A lot of people ask us, how do you guys travel so much with kids? And it's because we slow way down. Mm-hmm. We expect less, we do less. We get ready for an hour to go play for 30 minutes in the snow. It was just kind of slower, which was slightly disappointing, kind of frustrating, but it was still really fun because we were doing it for the kids. We were doing it so the kids could see and play in the snow.
So after the sledding for about 5 minutes and an hour and a half of getting ready,
and we decided driving about 5 miles an hour in the snow.
We decided to go to the kids zone. So we went to the kids zone, had some fun, watched a movie, did a little project, which I thought maybe I enjoyed a little more than the kids. I put this little face together. She did a heart and it looks pretty good. She did a good job, one beat at a time, pretty patient. And Mom helped her a little bit, but it was a fun project.
Then we took a nap and headed back out into the wilderness.
You eating snow? Oh my. Come on. She's eating the snow. Oh, oh yeah?
Oh, in the eyeball. That stings. And then we went to Faith's birthday dinner. We had Jessica and Brittany both recommend Base Camp Pizza.
Oh, it was good.
And it was good. That pizza was good.
It was really good. I was surprised.
They gave Faith an awesome dessert for her birthday.
She, of course, got really shy and was in my arms. They came to sing. Yeah. I think it was happy birthday.
So Faith was hiding behind Nehemiah the whole time they were singing. And then right as they walked away, she looks up, still hiding, looks up and says, "This is the best day ever." So they feel like they probably wasted their time, but you guys made her happy.
She likes it a lot.
So then it was time to check out. And we still really wanted to play some more in the snow before we went down the mountain. So we were like, okay, let's go down to the lake. We hadn't really seen the lake yet. Yeah. So we drove to the first spot where we thought we'd see the lake. And that was going up and away from the lake. And it was icy and scary. So we came back.
Came back down, went to this random camp. Some place,
no parking anywhere. Icy roads everywhere.
No, lake is not for you.
Turn around, get back out.
So we keep going. We went to this random spot and not even close to the lake.
Wow. One of our Instagram followers told us about Taylor Creek Snow Park. We're going there. And so we plugged in the GPS. The kids were whining. I mean, Ellie was whining so hard. I think for like 15 minutes she said, turn the music off. Over and over and over again. Music off, music off, music off, music off. Only because Faith wanted it on. So I was like, there. We're pulling over there. It was a Wells Fargo parking lot.
Yes.
My favorite moment of the Wells Fargo parking lot was Ellie pulling Ezekiel in the sled.
Oh yeah, that was so cute, super cute. In the snowsuit, the white snowsuit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that was our Lake Tahoe trip. It was a good time. It was kind of a hard time. If you've ever taken a toddler to snow, it's hard. It's hard, but it's fun. And I think it was worth it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, we came, we saw, we conquered.
Thanks for coming to Tahoe with
Thanks
us.
for coming. See you next week.
Yes, it was 27 degrees there.
It was cold.
A high
So-
of 27 degrees. But here in our bedroom, it is 68.
Oh man, I'm sweating.
You made fun of me when
She just spilled her coffee, like all of it, on the everywhere.